we have an update from Jalek Swoll himself. Now, this obviously comes after the news of his Achilles injury and his subsequent year over. Let's be honest about it. Like, we've all seen how long it took Eli Tomac to come back from this, so we're looking into A1 next year before we even probably see Swoll again. And him saying this wasn't even from a crash. This was apparently from a jump that he done 1,000 times, so it could be just like the Tomac injury. Landed wrong, popped his Achilles. Who knows? We do have a quote from him saying, "In shock at the moment. I had such a good offseason, and finally, all the hard work was starting to show. Speed, fitness, and mental were all aligned. I was ready to win this year, and I feel everybody on the team could see that day in and day out. Unfortunately, it is just not my time to show what I'm capable of. This is the only video I could get out without tearing up, so this will do. Thank you to my team and everybody who's on my side through this tough time. I feel I unlocked some new speed and I'm looking forward to getting back to where I'm leaving off from now. Crazy thing is, it wasn't even a crash, it was just a routine day jumping a jump I've done 1,000x. Now, I mean, obviously, that's what happens. Freak injuries. I mean, look at, like I said, look at Eli Tomac in race, landing like you would do normally 1,000 times a year, and something misplaced a little bit, something pops, and you have no idea. Um, but I mean, it is. This is going to be at least a year for him before we even see him back racing. A1 next year is going to be my prediction before he even gets back to racing. I mean, Tomac did it what? He did it in May. He got back for January, so A1, and we all know Tomac is a freak in a good way. Not saying that Swoll's not, whatever. He's younger. He probably might heal quicker, but it's something like this that you really don't want to push either because if you get on the bike too soon, if you start over stressing an injury like that and you just have it for the rest of your life or it happens again, well, it gets even worse. So it sucks. I mean, this was going to be, his A1 going out west, and because of this, it's pushed Faulkner to the east, Styles to the west, changed their team setup, changed who's racing where, and it sucks for him. He's just gonna have to sit on a couch now for a long time because you can't do any cardio. I mean, I guess you can do like rowing with your arms, but you're not going to be on a bike. So you're all the time it takes to get back to strength, get back your cardio, get back, and then you have to get back on the bike before you even build race speed. It's going to be a very long time before we see him. Sucks to say, sucks to see, but that's where I leave you guys. Tomorrow, A1 is starting. Who do you have for the 250s? Who do you have for the 450s? Are you excited for this year? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.